Bullish Star Atlas, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $4.31 and $8.14 by 2030. Market experts accept Atlas could reach $3.35 by 2025. Bearish Star Atlas market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.766202. Star Atlas, presentation NFTs, the freshest obsession with the web, are supposed to affect the gaming area. This state-of-the-art innovation might change the internet-based video gaming area's financial potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by joining NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is making ready for the following influx of computer games is Star Atlas. Star Atlas is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future with a double symbolic economy. Star Atlas players investigate the tremendous drain of space in quest for precious NFT-based jewels. It makes a metaverse experience by melding blockchain components with NFT situated in-game things and specific illustrations advances. What is Star Atlas? A space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network is called Star Atlas. According to its white paper, clients may unite, arrange, and battle their direction into neglected landscape on account of this astounding creation. In August 2021, Star Atlas will start its very first coin creation movement. It highlights in-game resources in light of the idea of non-fungible monetary standards, NFTs, empowering clients to oversee and bring in cash from their extraordinary resources. Each component in Star Atlas is an NFT that has been put to the blockchain, specifically. The Star Atlas games universe is immense, and players should go out on bereft rough experiences loaded up with various risks as they accumulate assets and endeavor to outmaneuver different players in the metaverse. Star Atlas ongoing interaction in the game, players can make enormous urban communities and private ventures or gather as one and make decentralized independent associations, DAO, to control over specific regions. Players obtain virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Atlas totally embraces decentralization, rather than most of concentrated gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game items. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. The objective is to advance the adaptation of gaming time spent on Star Atlas to give a certified monetary benefit to cooperation. Star Atlas is right now worth $0.957753 United States dollars. Atlas has moved 5.23% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $3,928. Star Atlas is right now positioned 391 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $0 United States dollars. Using the general strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling disparity, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Star Atlas, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Star Atlas market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Star Atlas, value expectation 2023. Star Atlas, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. Atlas. The Atlas cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $1.44. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1.34 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Atlas is supposed to have a base worth of $1.15. Star Atlas, value expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Star Atlas cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Atlas will before long outperform $2.39. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Atlas's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Atlas will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.92 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.11. Star Atlas, value forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.35 and Atlas might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Atlas is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.06 and a low of $2.87 in 2025. Star Atlas, Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Star Atlas effectively supports market feeling among digital currency lovers, the Atlas coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Atlas will be green in 2026. The Atlas is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.31, with a base cost of $3.83 and a typical cost of $4.02. Star Atlas, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Atlas cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.98 by 2027, with a base cost of $4.79 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Atlas has a greatest value worth of $5.27. Star Atlas, Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.94. In the event that Atlas figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $6.23. Neglecting to assemble the help Atlas needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $5.75. Star Atlas, Value Forecast 2029. While Atlas is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $6.70 and a yearly cost close above $7.18 in 2029. Star Atlas, Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Star Atlas will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $7.66 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $8.14, averaging out at $7.85. Present-day innovation is utilized in Star Atlas, a vivid crypto gaming experience with astounding visuals and imaginative interactivity. The game not just requests to players who are now mindful of blockchain innovation and cryptographic forms of money, yet in addition has every one of the qualities that could prompt reception by a bigger gaming crowd. Moreover, the game can advance the far and wide reception of cryptographic forms of money due to its imaginative in-game plan, shocking designs, and utilization of the Solana blockchain. It would be a productive speculation, according to the most extreme cost esteem, normal exchanging esteem, least cost esteem, normal exchanging value, Star Atlas cost expectation, current cost, and normal figure value, the cryptographic money market, and Star Atlas gauge, among various variables. What is the Star Atlas cost today? Today, Star Atlas